trigonometric ratios of standard angles 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, consider an equilateral triangle in which each side is equal to 2 unit. Means, is it 2 unit? This is 2 unit, and this is 2 unit, and this is 2. This is exact. AD is a perpendicular to the BC. Exact the divided two triangles. This is 1 1 means 2 only. Now angle is, this is 60 degree, taking 60 degree. This is also 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. Okay, now this is 90 and 60, 150. Total triangle is 180, means this angle is remaining 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay, now first to find 60 degree. Now we have angle ABD. Take any one triangle. Okay, ABD. This is angle is 60 degree. This is a degree. 60 degree means this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse side. Okay, now find sin 60, cos 60, all 6 trigonometric ratios angles. Now first one is sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is this is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now find adjacent this opposite side. Now this one 2 2 and 1 1, and that is also only 2. Now find this side. This is a root 3. This is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Sin 60 degree is a root 3 by 2. Next is a cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is a adjacent side upon hypotenuse, means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Cos 60 is a 1 by 2. Next is tan 60 degree. Tan means opposite upon adjacent side, means root 3 by 1, means root 3 only. Okay, next is a cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degree. Cosec means 1 by sine, or cosec is a hypotenuse divided by opposite side, that is a 2 by root 3. Next is secant 60 degree. Secant 60 degree is a hypotenuse upon adjacent side, 2 by 1. 2 by 1 only, 2 only. Finally is a cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree is a adjacent side upon opposite, means 1 by root 3. So these are a 60 degree trigonometric ratios of angle is 60 degrees. Next is 30 degree. Now consider any one triangle. Okay, now consider angle BAD, means BAD. This angle you consider, that is a 30 degree. Now you find sin 30, cos 30 degree. This is a cos 30 degree, and tan 30 degree, cosec 30 degree, secant 30 degree, and cot 30 degree. Okay, now find 1 by 1. Now consider this is a theta or angle, and this is opposite side, this is a adjacent side, and this is a hypotenuse side. Now sin 30 is a opposite side upon hypotenuse, means 1 by 2. This is a sin 30 is a 1 by 2. Okay, cos 30 is a adjacent side upon hypotenuse, means root 3 by 2. Now tan theta, tan 30 degree is a opposite upon adjacent side, means 1 by root 3. Next is cosec. Cosec is a 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Hypotenuse upon opposite. Say 2 by 1 only, 2 only. Now secant 30 degree is a 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 means what? Hypotenuse. Root 3 means adjacent side. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Next is a cot 30 degree. Cot means adjacent side upon opposite, means root 3 by Divided by 1 means root 3 only. Now these are a trigonometric ratios